We've all been there, trying to flip an egg with a melted spatula, or realizing your metal spoon just scratched a deep groove into your non-stick pan. It's annoying and expensive. That's why I bought and tested the 5 most popular utensil sets to see which ones actually hold up to heat and dishwasher abuse. I'm testing durability, grip, and value so you don't have to waste your money on junk. Product number 1, Chef 33 PCS Wood and Silicone. Starting with the Chef 33-piece set, the first thing I noticed was the wooden handles. They give the set a really warm, rustic feel that looks great sitting on the counter. The silicone heads are soft, so when I scraped down a mixing bowl, it got every bit of batter without scratching the surface. I tested the heat resistance by leaving the spatula in a hot pan for a minute, and it didn't melt or warp at all. However, because of the wood handles, I found you really can't throw these in the dishwasher, or the finish starts to fade over time. It comes with everything: measuring cups, hooks, the works. If you want that Instagram-ready kitchen look and don't mind hand washing to keep them pretty, this is a solid pick. But if you hate hand washing, you'll probably prefer this next set. Product number 2, Chef 15 PCS Stainless and Silicone. I grabbed this smaller 15-piece set also from Chef, but the difference is night and day. Holding these, they feel much more substantial because of the stainless steel handles. They have a nice weight to them that makes flipping heavy burgers feel stable. Since the heads are still silicone, they're safe for your non-stick pans, but the best part is the cleanup. I tossed these right into the dishwasher after making a messy pasta sauce, and they came out looking brand new. The silicone sleeve on the handle is a nice detail so you don't burn your hand on hot metal. It doesn't have as many extra gadgets as the first set, but it covers the basics perfectly. If you prioritize durability and easy cleaning over having a million accessories, this is the set I'd recommend. Now, if you want to skip the silicone entirely and go old school, check this out. Product number 3, Natural Teak Wooden Set. This 9-piece natural teak set is gorgeous. When I ran my hand over the spoons, they felt incredibly smooth, no rough splinters anywhere. Teak is a dense wood, so these feel way tougher than those cheap bamboo ones you usually see at the dollar store. I used the flat spatula for a stir-fry, and it was stiff enough to scrape the bottom of the wok without scratching it. My favorite part, though, is the included wooden spoon rest and holder. It keeps your counter clean while you cook and matches the set perfectly. Just remember, like the first set, these represent a natural material, so they need a little oil now and then to keep them looking fresh. If you love natural materials and want tools that will last for years, get these. On the other hand, if you just moved into a new apartment and need absolutely everything, look at this massive kit. Product number 4, Kitcoin 43 PCS Set. The Kitcoin 43-piece set is honestly overwhelming in a good way. It has everything from tongs to scissors to measuring spoons. But the coolest feature I noticed when cooking is this little golden triangle bump on the back of the handle. When I set the messy spatula down on the counter, the head stayed lifted off the surface. It saved me from wiping up sauce stains 5 times. The silicone is decent quality and handled high heat well without smelling like burning plastic. The handles are ergonomic and have a fun color block design. It's all dishwasher safe too, which is a huge bonus for a set this size. If you're starting from scratch in a new kitchen or sending a kid off to college, this is the ultimate one-and-done box. Finally, let's look at a set that claims it will last a lifetime. Product number 5, Stainless Steel and Silicone 33-piece set. Wrapping up with this 33-piece stainless steel set, the build quality here is impressive. They use 304 stainless steel for the handles, so when I tried to bend the neck of the ladle, it didn't budge. It feels very industrial and professional. Like the others, the silicone heads protected my expensive pans, but the connection point between the metal and silicone feels much stronger here. I noticed it includes extra gadgets like a pizza cutter and can opener, which actually work well and aren't just cheap filler items. There is zero plastic in the construction, which I love. If you want that sleek, professional chef look and tools that feel like they won't snap under pressure, this is the one to buy. So whether you want the warm look of teak wood or the dishwasher-safe convenience of stainless steel, one of these sets will definitely clear up your drawer clutter. I've left links to all of them in the description so you can grab the one that fits your cooking style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.